Hello and welcome, Rahul. You're watching me on my Facebook page on my YouTube channel of my talks, and if you're watching me consistently, welcome back to my channel. I always come up with new ideas and try to inform you of latest development, whatever is happening in the real world, because I strongly feel that if you keep yourself motivated and identifying opportunity, and accordingly, if you are improving your skills, working on your craft, and trying to be better each and every day than that of before, then you are certainly moving forward. You will have ample of opportunities, and for that, positive motivation and self-confidence are required. I know exactly that sometimes I can be a stimuli in your life for positive motivation, because when you watch such kind of videos where you are given certain excitement, someone is instilling positivity in you and you get excited, this will work only for few days, maybe for few days or for 2 hours or for 3 hours. But if that spark ignites the fire within, you know then the perpetual motivation that will come from within, that will support you till your whole life. And if for that momentary, if I will be a stimuli to change the course of your life, to stimulate positive feelings, to pursue certain career or to make your skill better so that it can be apt for any opportunity, and if you clinch that very opportunity, if you pull off, then you will be able to find a better livelihood and you will thank me. That is what I always try to foster. I always try to instill positivity, because it is essential that we use our brain, whatever we have got today. I'm just going to tell you one thing: we are living in information age still, and every innovation, futuristic innovation, is somehow connected to information processing. Even the artificial intelligence, or general artificial intelligence that we are pursuing to make artificial intelligence perfect, these all are happening importantly for information age, because we want to process a lot of information, we want to automate it, we want to solve our problems so that a lot of huge data can be processed, and it can be also used as a tool for scientific innovation, for medical imaging and applications, for better innovation of such kind of artificial tools that can help us to solve big data problems or big algorithmic problems, so that we can design better tools in order to see and visualize, to interpret data, so that we can take better decisions. These all are happening. And I just want to tell you, imagine what will be the consequences of application of AI. I just want to tell you that perceive and try to have a perception what could be the changes in our day-to-day life events. Yeah, there will be disruption. As computer came, disruption happened. In banking field, everything got digitalized. Even every documents, even government documents, identity documents that you want to get, everything is being kept in digital form. So these were the implications of computers and digital reality that we live in. After application of artificial intelligence, after invention of general artificial intelligence, what will be the consequences? What will be the change that you will perceive? Yeah, disruption. Disruption in every field. First of all, you will have better opportunity to learn. So, education, altogether many teachers and they are skilled will be coming from AI, because advanced robots, artificial intelligent robots will take place of teachers, or machines will come to teach. Yeah, better knowledge will be disseminated, will be imparted, better visibility will be there in among our students. But we know exactly that we cannot leave artificial intelligence on its own. it has to be developed controlled, it has to be developed in a controlled way. That is what we want. So I just want to tell you, in education, if teachers will be replaced by AI, who will be benefited? Yeah, students will be nurtured in a better way. They will certainly be given opportunity to do better things, because their class will be developed. They will be able to innovate themselves, or they will be able to read a lot of things. They will be able to enhance their creativity because they are imparted better educations. They will be able to solve their problems of academics in a better way. They will have good insights. But somewhere teachers will be losing jobs. But this disruption won't end there. We need better administrator in education field as well, to control, to look over AIs, their functions. As computer came after its applications, many a job even created as well. Many got disrupted as well. Same will happen after the advent of AI. So one disruption is in education field. Second is in banking industry where I'm working in. Automated teller will be coming. They will be replacing ATMs. They will be replacing all the people who are working as a cashier, as a teller in bank. Most of the problems will be solved on machines. They will be dispensing cash on vocal instructions. That will happen. Mobile handset, this may take another form. After applications of AI, maybe robotic machines would be developed, smaller machines would be developed to facilitate the same functions that mobile phones right now are giving you. So it may be replaced. What could be other field? Every information, even government process and governance will be replaced. Better governance, we need better checkpoints. We need better customer solving machines which can solve the problem. So even governments are deploying AI chatbots on their platforms. Wherever you go, you will see that at every health corner they are deploying artificial chatbots. Who are capable of communicating, who are capable of processing data and communicating back and forth, so that you will be able to realize what is happening. So governance will change, but every important decisions we cannot refer to artificial intelligence. We cannot let them govern ourselves. We have to create checkpoints. Better decisions should be in the hand of humans, politicians. At the end point, if there is no checkpoint by the humans, it will not be a governance of human. It will be a governance of machine. That is what we want to replace. We want a lot of skilled people who can govern in a better way, can take decisions in a better way. So ultimate checkpoint they should have. That is why code of conduct should be developed, controlled code of conduct for deploying artificial intelligence in day-to-day life. Even world leaders are trying to do summit, but there are no better clarifications are coming. It will be in process. This would be coming, but this should certainly come. We should certainly take control. The ultimate control should be in human hand, not in machines. That is what we have to see. Problem is that if we are living in information age, and if every information can be processed by a machine, then most of the job will be replaced. That is what is a fear among people. But we have to create parallel administration, that each and every processing, and maybe if error are taking place, that can't be checked by human body. So we require still human resources, and that is what will be the perfect development according to me. What you think, you can comment in the inbox. Whatever I'm telling, is it matching or not? Because these are my assumptions, and moreover it has been taken from the conversation of a lot of platforms, that we are looking in. So these are the realities that we have to look into. That is why if we want to foster a better reality for ourselves, because we envision better future for human being, and that is why machines are being invented to solve our problems, to assist us, not to govern us, not to rule us. That is what we have to remember all the time. And if you think of controlling intelligence, or whatever you think of that they will control us, if you are afraid of that, then intelligence, if you have, then you are always in checkpoints, you're always being watched, and the war for intelligence is all the time. That is not spared, even in today's era. If you are really intelligent, or you really know exactly what is intelligence, you will see that the war is from long time for intelligence. So you won't have to afraid of any kind of machines, because they are ultimately they are going to help us. We want to solve our problems, we want to proliferate our activities, we want to put a lot of efforts, and we want to get more results, more yield, more productivity, and that is what we will get with the advent of AI. Thank you for listening to me.